Hi boys and girls, this video will show you how to make this honeycomb for your honeybee. For this project we need a pair of scissors and a toilet paper tube, and that is it. If you want yours to hold together like mine does, then you can grab yourself some tape also, but that is not essential. Now, the honeycomb is made out of hexagons. That's a six-sided shape. When we looked at MC Escher tessellations, of course, they took on all different shapes like birds and fish. And when you look at the slides in our lesson today, that artwork that Hofstra University sent us is made out of triangles that all fit together. Here we must create the hexagon because that is what honeybees naturally create. They create a natural tessellation. Why and how? Be sure to watch the video, The Honeybee and the Hexagon, to find out. It's really interesting. So let's begin with our toilet paper tube. You should be able to find one of these in your house sometime over the course of this next week. And the first thing you need to do is squish it. Make it flat, just like this. And then take your scissors and find the center, and you can estimate the center, and cut it right in half, straight as you can. There. Then take that half and cut it in half. Take that half and cut it in half again. Cut each of these pieces in half. Be careful. So now I've got these four, and here's the other half I have of my paper towel tube. Cut it in half, and half again, and stop, and half again, and that is it. So I have 8 pieces from my toilet paper tube that are all pretty much even. Let's work with just one at a time. So step 1, you've got it already squished, so you already have 2 sides for our shape. We need to make 6 sides. So these 2 sides have to be folded into 3 sections. 3 times 1, 2 will be 6. In order to do that, fold one side over so it goes 1/3 across, which means this folded piece here is the same as the space you have left over, you see? And then I could fold this right back again. Is it perfect? Nope, not perfect. But what you're creating is sort of like a little table with 3 equal parts. This is not perfect. Let me try that again. I'll show you again. Take another piece. It's flat. Take one side and fold it over, not in half, but 1/3 of the way over. 1/3 of the way over, so that when you fold the other part over, it reaches the end. So here we have, again, 3. I can make a little triangle out of it that is equal. 3. Little table with the top and 2 sides equal. So now we have 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 times 2. It's 2 layers. When I open it up and pinch all of those bends outward, I have my first hexagon there. Hexagon. I have the other hexagon I made. Remember, it wasn't so perfect? I think it'll work out just fine when I pinch those angles and fit them together like this. And again, take your doubled over strip, fold one side in 1/3 of the way, and the other side. Now, boys and girls are going to keep doing that until you have all 8 parts done. And like I said before, if you want to tape it together, that way you can hang it on the wall, you could use a little bit of tape. Make sure you're getting a flat side against a flat side. And just bend that tape over. And you'll see they fit together amazingly well. It is a tessellation. So into this angle, I can put this angle. Fit perfectly in there. And here. These 3 pieces that I made, I could even add to the one that I had from another toilet paper tube. So this can become as big as you want it to, depending on how many toilet paper tubes you can round up. This week or next week, you can keep building on it if you like. And you can have this giant honeycomb growing on your wall. Now, to find out how to make your realistic honeybee to live on your honeycomb, be sure to watch that Art Hub video. Have fun with this.